Hello everyone and welcome to the class. Now in this video we'll come across the ping command. The Linux ping command is a simple utility used to check whether a network is available and if host is reachable. With this command you can test if a server is up and running. It also helps the troubleshooting various connectivity issues. The ping command allows you to test your internet connection, check if a network machine is online, and analyze if there are network issues such as dropped packages or high latency. Now we wanna check if your internet is up and if we are able to ping google.com or not. For that, simply type ping www.google.com and hit enter. As you can see, we are getting response. Press Ctrl C to end.